So we pulled over because there was a noticeable amount of smoke coming from the front. Yeah, lads. The fuck? What are you doing, mate? Thank God. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Feels like it's been a while since I've been in front of the camera, but it's just been a few days I've not recorded, that's all. I'm sat here in the whip. Got my Lockwood joggers on, and yes, we have finally got the joggers back in stock after months and months of not having them there on the website, thank God. I'm going to see Mitch today, right? We're going to meet Mitch. He's come up here for the weekend, or he's been up here for a week with work. And I've been talking with Mitch for a long time. He lives down south, but he's actually up here, and I'm going to meet him. I've already said that, but I'll say it again. And he's got a very interesting car, lads. Like, for some reason, it's so smoky outside. Probably because this Mitch is on fire. Now, this is funny about Subarus, guys, because normal cars, you have a clutch, a brake, and then, sorry, no you don't. You have an accelerator, a brake, and then a clutch. But this isn't actually a clutch on Subarus. This is a very magic button, which makes a really cool noise when you press it. And then watch the noise that last pedal makes. Madness. So I just heard him pull up, and then I just seen him pull up, and I think he's gonna pull up right now, actually. Hurry up, you silly bitch, trying to get some V-power, mate. Like, she paid about 3 minutes ago. She got in the car about 8 minutes ago. Why is she not moving? Oh my God, this is actually a joke, isn't it? Whey! Right, so what power is it running?
Approximately 500 brake horse.
500, right, okay. And so, what, and you're planning on going single turbo on it, right?
On a big single, my goal is 1,000.
1,000. What would you need to get up to that though?
Basically a full engine rebuild, because I want it to be reliable power, as opposed
reliable
to just,
power at 1,000 horse, yeah.
Yeah, well if you do everything to withstand a 1,400 brake, there's a lot less of it going bang.
But in a way, would you not think it, with having 1,000 horsepower on the road, would you not think it would just be way too unusable and just way too unmanageable?
I have a dream. You've got the car, I just need power. Why not? And the idea is to take it to Sandpod.
What, and go down the strip?
Yeah, that's all it's for. This is generally all it's for.
Oh God, I don't know if that would be a good idea.
Well, no, the idea is if you can have a map so you can have like run 7, 8.
Yeah, okay, yeah, if you have different dual maps on it, yeah.
Turn it down when it's on the road to like 7.
Would you not be, you know, a bit scared of things breaking, or like, because you'd need so much more than just an engine rebuild, wouldn't you? You'd have to have so much brakes, you'd have to, it'd be a whole new car, wouldn't it?
Yeah, basically.
So would you not be scared about, you know, just putting unnecessary miles on it, and just wasting all that money?
What's the point in having the car?
Well, I suppose that is very true. So what's the four-wheel drive like on these? Are they pretty, does it feel 50-50 or?
I think it's 60-40, 70-30.
To the rear, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, okay. Can you feel that? Is that easily felt?
Yeah. Can do.
Yeah.
If you get better, because I've got shit tyres on the rear at the moment, it's not ripping.
Yeah, so you've come up, how long have you been up for? A week? And
2 weeks.
You've been up 2 weeks, and what's gone since you've been up?
Fuel pump.
Fuel pump's gone.
Front tyres, just connectors for the fuel pump, everything in general. But
so where'd you get any fuel pump from? Is it a standard fuel pump, or is it
uprated now?
Uprated, right. Oh, it's uprated now?
Yeah.
What, is it a Walbros?
Yeah.
Walbros. Did you order it online, or did you find
I ordered it online.
Ordered it online. Fitted it on the driveway? Yeah. Because for a twin turbo, there's still a noticeable amount of turbo lag in this.
Yeah, I think I put all this new stuff on, but I haven't got a remap.
Right, okay.
I've had multiple people say it just needs a remap, but
yeah.
I don't know until you try it.
Because it is pretty laggy, because I mean, I can tell when you put your foot down, and the power's coming in really late. It almost feels like a single turbo in a way.
Yeah, it's coming in like 5.
It's coming in really late. So what turbos are on it then?
Just Mambas ones, but they're running actuator pressure.
Oh right, oh really?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
But they were absolutely.
So what is actuator pressure on these?
1.5 bar.
Right, well that's still quite a lot then.
Yeah.
That is quite a lot.
20
Must be a pretty strong actuator. Because
Oh.
that's a stiff spring. Because most actuators, I know that mine actuator pressure is around about 8 psi.
Yeah.
That's actuator pressure on mine. So you were the first person to import this. You are the first owner in the UK.
Yep.
What are they? Jesus. Oh, it feels quicker on a smaller road. So, like importing costs.
I got a breaker in London to do it all for me.
Right, okay. Because I've heard that when you're trying to import a car from Japan, it's you get into the thousands
Yeah.
pretty quickly.
Luckily, I got a really good deal. Obviously, I didn't know the problems when I bought the car, but
Yeah.
you could have bought any car and you have problems with it.
But so what has been the problems with it mainly then?
Turbo. Basically, the main wing was just a turbo.
Turbo, what, the turbos blew up?
Yeah, basically.
Both of them?
One.
One, was it the top end or the high
It
end
was the
one?
back one.
Right. So you want a new boost controller, were you going to get a manual one or are you going to get an electronic one?
Electronic.
Yeah.
Electronic.
Yeah, they are a lot better when it comes to like a mapping sense,
Yeah.
but you know, if you're not a mapper, it's quite hard to. Because I know personally, I know there's so many times where I would like a manual boost controller,
Yeah.
but then again, with manual, you're never going to be at the perfect air fuel ratios if you tamper with it. So I mean, I suppose it's got its negatives and it's got its downfalls and its upsides, really, hasn't it?
Yeah, I need.
It's when you want a little bit more boost, tap it up,
Yeah.
tap it back down a little bit. When you're trying to impress a girl, get her in, tap it up a little bit and knock it back down. A little bit of a tunnel run. See, the weird thing about my car is that the fuel gauge, it will stay in the same place for ages. And you're like, oh right, I'm getting good mileage here. And then all of a sudden, it'll just go boom. It'll just drop, and it's so annoying. I'd rather it, you know, because you were driving somewhere and you're thinking, oh, I'll make it there easy. I've hardly even moved. And then you're in the middle of nowhere and it goes empty. And you think, fuck, when am I gonna get some fuel? Oh, listen to the rocks. Sorry, mate. I think I brought you down the wrong road here. Oh.
Lights to smash.
Well, you crashed it from going through McDonald's drive-through.
I know.
How do you manage that, lad? You was on full lock and what? You planted it by accident? Or?
No, it was just the back.
Oh, it was just showing off to the Mackey's kids.
There was no one there. It was that fucking freaking.
You I have everything I need to know, mate. You were trying to drift it around Mackey's drive-through. So we pulled over because there was a noticeable amount of smoke coming from the front. What we first thought it was, oh, we didn't even want to think, did we?
No, I don't.
It looks like it's just the radiator cap's come a bit loose for some reason.
Might be just under the low.
Yeah, it's come loose a little bit,
Yeah, I'm not
but
touching
we can't touch that for a good 10 minutes or so.
Shit happens.
It does indeed. Right, give that a bit of a tighten, mate. Careful with your hands. Oh, is that hot? That was loose, that. It seemed loose. Is it tight now? Is it? I hope so.
The engine temp cooled down.
Yeah, that was definitely loose. That was really loose. I was gonna say you could have cleaned it, mate. There's behind the scenes of you.
Yeah. No.
Right, he's give me the keys. Let's have a quick go. Oh, right, let's get this window up. Get the GoPro on the go. The clutch is dead bitey, it's dead low down. Yeah, the clutch is actually really nice. Have we got
Yeah, all good.
that's a bit annoying.
That's annoying.
Get that tightened, bloody hell.
Then it goes undone.
Oh, does it go under? So the gear knob doesn't tighten, which is very
Not done well.
steering's dead heavy.
That's the variable steering, which I want to leave.
Yeah, it's really heavy. It's kind of like there's no sort of. Obviously, you know, when you go in cars and you turn a corner, the car will want to come back straight.
Yeah.
This doesn't. Oh, the brakes sucks, mate.
Shit.
Yeah. A little bit out of alignment.
Temperature's up to the roof.
Oh, is it? Right, just turn the engine off here. Oh, go over the bridge. Go down here. Oh, hang on, Japanese cars. Sorry, I put the wipers on. Right, well, I think that's me done driving it. Thank you, that was lovely, but...
We're stranded in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, I think that we lost a bit of water when the cat wasn't on tight enough. There's some guys here outside. I think they're messing about with the cars, so I might ask them for some tap water and that. But I hope it's that. Well, it's not leaking anymore, is it? So that's good. At least the cap's back on normal.
It's got to be that, actually.
It's got to be out of water. It's got to be out of water. Well, we may as well have a sit down for a bit. There's no way we're getting that cap open. Not with our skin intact, anyway. Right, let's try and open it. Go on, mate, stop being a pussy.
I'm attached to my skin.
Should be alright now. Might come out a little bit.
Yeah, that's what I've got.
Unless it just pulls up now. There you go. Yeah, we're absolutely... Oh, we've got fuck all in there. People have gone.
Is it a van?
Should we ask him? I need some water. If you can, mate, that'd be amazing. Yeah, please. I don't think he's coming back with this water. I genuinely don't think he's going to come back. We've been driving with the bloody radiator cap loose and it's just...
It's not loose because when the power's on, it loosens it. It's an operated one as well.
Like it's taking all that, isn't it? Bloody Nora. Right, so one kettle wasn't enough, for God's sake. Cheers, mate. We've been stranded without you. Right, I think we're good. Right, round 2. Definitely keeping an eye on that temperature gauge this time. 6 mile an hour road here, let's give it a little bit. Oh, Jesus!
Holy shit! You fucking lost it! Oh,
I had that, mate, I had it.
your face didn't look like it.
I had that, mate. Holy shit, like that comes in so strong. Like that's in second gear as well. Like that's a good like 6-second delay, that. My God, I'm not putting foot down in second again. Like that comes on so hard.
Strong.
That is literally like a big single turbo. Just my driving skills, mate.
Trust the car.
You know I. Yeah, that's mate, that's unmanageable. I wouldn't even enjoy driving this.
I've done it.
I would just not even enjoy that. Like that's just obviously on a straight line, yeah. But nah, I wouldn't. Yeah, no. Do you know? I think this is the only time I've ever been happy that I'm in the passenger seat. It's just getting one of them turbos to come in earlier, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
That's what needs to happen.
It does need to happen.
Yeah, that does need to happen. Because in a way, I mean, if you were putting this around a country lane, it'd be
Graveyard.
It would be, yeah. It really would be. It almost wouldn't keep up with stuff just because you're just waiting.
Yeah, no, you'd get dick. But on
on a straight line, wow. I mean, I don't think I've been in anything that's been that power instant.
Yeah, spike. It's like spikes.
Yeah, that is that. I don't think I've never been in anything that spikes that much. Whoa. Waiting.
Hopefully I can get rim.
I'm gonna do a bit of a launch. With them both together, causing havoc. It's the main thing, surviving, isn't it? Glad we survived. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a nice safe home. Get what? Have a nice safe home. Have a safe trip home, mate. All the miles.
I'm sure I'll see you soon.
You take care. See you, pal.